Hey guys, what I have here is an Oneida Air Systems Dust Deputy 2.5. It is one of the newest Dust Deputies, and my friends at Oneida sent it to me right after Workbench Con. Now I'm going to grab a quick knife blade and we'll get this thing open. Let's see what's in it and let's get to work. Okay, I got my knife. I'm very excited to get this. I want to thank my friends again at Oneida. Years ago when I first got into the woodworking, I knew I needed dust collection, and all I had was my Sears Craftsman shop vac from 1992. That was the first tool I ever bought as a homeowner. And of course you can't just have the dust collector without something to collect the dust before it gets to the dust collector, some type of cyclone. So of course I went to the interwebs and found a cheap Chinese made piece of crap cyclone, and then I bought a Home Depot bucket and a lid and bolted it to that and used that. And then I bought the Home Depot version of their cyclone, which is called a dust topper, that is on my current setup for my shop vac. But I'm so excited to get this because I have a Surf Prep vacuum, and I'm hoping to incorporate this with the Surf Prep vacuum and get rid of the loud and obnoxious Craftsman shop vac. So let's see what we got here. Kind of looks like a car wheel. Everything's packed very good in here. These might be the wheels. Right over there. Got a piece of cardboard on the hose. Here's the bucket. The instructions, some wheels. That's it for the box. Very well packed in there. I'm going to fill that box with wood scraps and then burn that. Now let's see what we got here. This would be the hose. Very flexible. Kind of reminds me of those boa constrictors that people get and put around their neck for some reason. Always a dumb idea. Here is the Dust Deputy 2.5. Look at that baby. She's a beaut. Very sturdy. Alright, that goes over there. Bucket. Alright, should we even open the instructions? I don't know. Are you people instruction people, or do you just start putting stuff together? I tend to just start building stuff, even with my projects. Oh, here's some foil tape. Wheels. Some type of a lanyard. A gasket. Bolts, nuts, and flat washers. Another gasket. And the instructions. So what I'm going to do is put this all together real quick without talking, and we'll see how it goes. Stop and read first. It says I'm going to need a power drill, 1/4-inch drill bit, 1/2-inch open end wrench, 7/16 open end wrench, a wet dry vacuum, and a vacuum hose adapter, which I don't have, but I'll get that later. Let's put this thing together, shall we? Simply, this goes on, let's see, let's move this over here, out of the way. This is the lid. This goes on the lid, right? Simple enough. There's a gasket here, which I thought I had. Turn the cyclone upside down. Place the gasket. I wonder if this is the gasket. This cannot be the gasket. There's no other gasket. Black gasket, black table, doesn't mix. Anyways, gasket. Let's just do this. Do this. There's not blood on my fingers. I'm painting something that's red at the same time. So it's just a peel and stick. This appears to be a little bit longer, so I'm going to nip it. Time for the wheels. I don't see how this is going to hold on here, but whatever. You know, what am I? There are holes here for maybe screwing these in. But anyways, these wheels go in here, and it looks like they just, you have to screw them in. All right, so that's done. Flip the bucket upside down. Arrange the caster assemblies evenly around the bottom edge. We recommend arranging the caster assemblies at 90-degree increments from each other. Hello. Ah, man. I guess they have to put that in there because someone might put all 3 casters like this on one side. And then, you know, one over here. And then what? Whatever. Someone's going to do it, people. That's why stuff is like that. Oh. Double-sided tape for these. 2, 4, 6, 8. There are 8 little pads. There appear to be little areas on the wheels where you put them. All right, they also provide this lanyard, which I thought was pretty cool because, you know, go around your head, but it's not for that. You see, they give you this little like key ring, and then this lanyard. What you do is you attach this key ring and stuff to your shop vac, and then basically this tows, the shop vac tows this around. Pretty cool. I'm not going to use it for that. Need to do that, so flip it back over. Ooh. Made in the USA, people. So you know it's good. And wow, look at, I mean, this is pretty simple, folks. Even I can do it. And this doesn't really matter where you put this. Boom. Sealed up. Tight. Tight. Let's see, shall we? Oh, look at that. I don't know if it's long enough, but I do have another long one. So, I'm going to put this on the floor. I want to thank my friends at Oneida for sending me the Dust Deputy 2.5. It's better than the 1. It's better than the 1.5. It's better than the 2. It's a 2.5. Go to oneida.com. Check them out. Fantastic stuff. I can't wait to get this thing installed. You got to get an adapter hose for it, and then it's going to be the main dust collect separator in my shop. So thank you for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Tell a friend, and hopefully you learned something today about a product and how to assemble it. Peace.